In this video, we will teach you how to save Excel file. Today in this video, we are talking about working with file. First, we will teach you how to save Excel file. There are 2-3 ways. Come to File menu, and File menu, go to Save or Save As. Anyone you can use. We are saving this file on desktop, save. One more way to save the file, Ctrl+S. That's the keyboard shortcut. Sometime, for example, here you see remaining balance. We are applying the formula equal total credit minus total debited. Enter. We got this. Saving the file. Come to quick Access Toolbar. Press the Save tab, and your file is saved. Next is to open the file. Closing this file first. Come to File menu, Close. How to open the file? Ctrl+O and keyboard, or go to File menu and Open. Here you have many options: today, yesterday, this week, last week, or browse. Browse. Where is your file? Desktop, monthly, open. Your file has been opened. Next is how to save your file into a PDF format, portable document format. Go to File, Export, Create PDF. Now here you see you can give your name, publish, and that's done. Sharing your file with others. Go to File, Share. Here you have 2-3 ways: save to cloud, online storage. From there you can share the link with others, share with people, and the email. Go to email. Okay, send as attachment. Here you are to enter the email address abc@hotmail.com. At the end, press send. The final command in this lecture will be how to close your file. Go to File menu, come down here, you see Close. Press it. Your document is closed. That was all from today. In next video we will be studying formatting an Excel sheet.